Do you remember, kind of what the inspiration was, or the reason that you guys decided to open it and dedicate some space in your headquarter office to the having that experience center?
Well, we've always been it's always been important to us to meet with our clients and offer them training solutions. We do a lot of lunch and learns for clients. So we found we were bringing a lot of people in here and having a more formalized experience center, something that's uh, dedicated to the whole thing rather than having ad hoc demos. So having a permanent installation of various types of technologies that we upgrade from time to time um, was one of the big factors of getting this off the ground.
Okay, and for those who haven't been to the experience center, what are some of the things that are in it, or what are some of the experiences that people can have when they do come?
So we have kind of four main room types: a boardroom uh, application, a conference room, small huddle space, and a larger training room. Um, and we can demonstrate those typical use cases. Also, in our training room, it pulls double duty as not just a typical audiovisual training room system, but we do a lot in the command and control market. So we have a large video wall in there, and we can bring in clients and say like a power utility or a security operations center kind of application, and bring them in and show how the products we have that work on this large video wall